Welcome to Mechanic. Today we have a 2016 BMW i3. And on this vehicle, we're going over the process to be able to remove the rest of your inner door panel. So you have the interior door panel, gives you access to the speaker, and that's about really it. But to get more access for your window regulator and or to get your outer door skin off, we need to remove this. And so we've got some push clips around, and there's 3 push clips slash there are screws that you back them out, but they're plastic screws down here on the very bottom. And then it's a bunch of these yellow push pins, and you just got to work your way and work them out. And I mean, you feel like you're gonna break it. Then once you get those undone, then we can pull this out, and we have an electric connection inside here that we need to disconnect from our door lock actuator unit. And then we should be able to pull it out. I'm also disconnected the electric over here. The electric that goes to your main door, it's all one switch that you can unhook over here, as well as the little spring that helps your door soft close. Because when we take this whole plastic piece off, we need to push this through here to be able to get that door off piece. And then we also have these little clips to pull out. Just get under them and pull them out. These are what hold the screws to there. And then with that being done, we're able to really work it out of here. But like I said, we've got an electric connection over here that I need to disconnect. Give me some more space there by undoing the wire. Goes up in there further. So what I'm doing is reaching on the inside here, and there are little connectors that hold the wire up here. And so I'm just going to undo it that way, and then pull this wiring back through that we already undid from the other portion of the door. And now all that undone, be able to move this in toward the inside of the vehicle and be able to get this, the remainder of it off. Go. Okay, so we got the grommet here that goes through that holds the for the plug there. You gotta get that pushed back through because we have one wire in this whole scheme that it goes to the exterior mirror, and to get that mirror undone, we've got to undo some other stuff. It's a real battle here. Okay, got it, got it. That's it's all undone. We have our piece of the inner door panel removed. Like I said, it's got a bunch of push clips to work around here, so you gotta pull those away nice and carefully to be able to gain access. And then this way is where we've gained access. We've got our window regulator unit back here, the actual regulator unit, and so forth. But to be able to remove this glass as well as this piece, we also need to take out the exterior skin. And we'll go over how you do that, but you'll want to remove this piece also to have easier access, especially for removing your door lock actuator unit and whatnot. So thanks for watching Mechanic, where you can be the mechanic.